Saving with Shay, and I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. Can you tell I had her energy drink already? And I'm actually drinking this too. The Pleasies. I've been freezing them and then taking them to the gym and kind of throwing them in my bag. And then once it starts to like kind of thaw out, I shake it up and it's real slushy and it actually is really good. So yeah, your girl's been on some things this morning. So my energy is up there. All right, it's up there. But listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. And so, today, you know what? Ibotta, I love you, boo, but you got to do better. And you got to be consistent. You know, you got to be consistent. Now, I need 15 offers for $1. Ain't gonna happen. It's just not gonna happen. Look. And it's like that sometimes. And it's okay. It's okay. You gotta know when to pass. All right? It's okay to pass. And just hope the next one is better. You know? And this is one of those bonuses where you just say pass. You know what I mean? You keep it moving. So for today, my goal is not to hit that. Or obviously, I'm not even gonna try. In fact, I'll probably choose Walmart Rewards over Ibotta, just so I don't have to worry about trying to hit 20 to cash out on Ibotta. With Walmart Rewards, I can just use it right away. And so that's probably what I'll do when I need to for today. I'll be doing a lot of flavor wiki, you guys. I did post a video yesterday, and a lot of you guys were asking, how do you refresh? Basically, on the page, you just pull down. You just pull down. See that little wheel at the very top? That's refresh. That's all you do. Sometimes, even though I actually log in, I'll still have to refresh. Like, I always will refresh just in case, because sometimes that works. Now, with Flavor Wiki, a lot of their offers are regional as well. So it may not be available in your county, your country, your town, your state. You know, it just might not be. But again, the biggest tip with them is just to check it frequently and refresh. And so I will be doing some Flavor Wiki offers today. I'll be going to Target. We'll just do voiceover for that. I'll do Vons. I have a few things there to get. And then most everything else will be at Walmart. Did I say subscribe?
If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay, Shay with the pearl. Can you tell I had some stuff this morning? I had some stuff. Anyways, definitely subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button. Support your girl.
Why did I do that? That was so stupid. I don't understand why. So we're going to head to Walmart first. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got you to do, keep on watching. Y'all, listen. The first deal was on the Jimmy Dean chicken, buttermilk biscuits, egg and cheese. They are priced at $5.22. Now, my offer on Easy Bucks went up to $3.50. So we're going to grab a total of 2 of them. We'll end up paying $10.44 out of pocket, getting back $5.50 on Easy Bucks, and then we'll get back $1.25 for each one on checkoff 51, brings them down to $1.22 each. All right, and next up is the Little Bites. They are priced at $3.98. We'll be getting back $8.50 on Flavor Wiki, making this a $4.52 moneymaker. Next deal is on the RX bar. It's on the peanut butter chocolate one. It's only on the 10 count. It's priced at $16.98, getting back $16 on Flavor Wiki. I'm on the fence with this one. Like, I don't know. I have never tried them before. But for 98 cents, I guess I could try them. So we'll see. All right, next up is the Rice Krispie Treats. It's on the Bliss. Remember when these were on clearance for $1.50? Like, why can't they be on clearance right now? So for this offer, there's an offer for both of them. Now, for Joseph's account, I noticed he has 2 for this one. So I don't know if I have to buy 2 or if I can just get 1. But they're priced at $4.96. You'll get back $1.25 on Ibotta. You'll also get back $6.03 on Flavor Wiki. It makes it a $2.32 moneymaker. Now, I went ahead and did 1 of each for Walmart Rewards yesterday. So I think today I'm going to grab another set for Ibotta. So yeah. All right, next up is the Flips milk chocolate covered pretzels. This is with a candy. I don't know. I was on the chip aisle looking at the chips. Anyways, priced at $4.42. Getting back $5.53 on Flavor Wiki. That's such a random amount, huh? Makes them $1.11 moneymaker. Next up is the Oreo Golden. Now, for this offer, you have to specifically get the 13.29 ounce, which is this one right here. It's priced at $3.76 for this, getting back $4.70 on Flavor Wiki. Makes it a 94-cent moneymaker. And of course, we're gonna get the Hillshire snacking dips and spreads again, because why not? I actually tried, which was this one, or was it this one? I think I tried this one yesterday, and it wasn't bad. At first, I was like, but I need some meat. Like, I need my meat. But I guess there's little pieces inside the dip. But they're not bad, though. They're priced at $2.97. So for this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $5.94, getting back $8.50 from checkout 51 and $3 on Swagbucks, making them only 72 cents each. They actually have some. I've been checking, y'all. This area was so empty. Yes, well, it's still empty. Let's let that be known. It's still empty. But they have what I need, which is these. It's on the 1-count Glade Warmer. It's priced at $178. We have offers for $178 on all sister apps: Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox, Tada, EasyBucks, as well as Checkout 51 as well. So I'm going to go ahead and grab one. You'll get that back, making it absolutely free. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to work with Checkout 51 and Swagbucks, but I will definitely try. All right, next up is the Airwick. We did get some offers that popped up on Ibotta this morning for the Airwick warmer, priced at $3.98, getting back 3 makes it 98 cents. Now that offer also works on the, I guess this would be considered a starter kit. It's priced at $5.48, getting back 3 would make that $2.48. Right, so this next deal is on the Gas X. It's on the 18-count chewables. They are priced at $4.48. We're gonna grab one of them. We'll get back to $1 on Ibotta. There's also $1.50 on Checkout 51 as well as $5. We're gonna try it. If that works out, it'll bring it down to 48 cents. The Opti Free. It's on the well, actually, wait a minute, hold up. Okay, I didn't get that one. That one didn't work for Ibotta. No, I think I did that for Walmart Rewards. Didn't work. This one right here, the Pure Moist, that one did work. It's priced at $10.47. Now I did get back $1 for Walmart Rewards. I got back the $4 on Checkout 51. And I also got back $4 on Swagbucks. So it made that $1.47. Mention this deal as a correction from my last video with the Bactine Max. So this coupon is 3 off of 2. I don't know, I guess it's saying different products. I mean, duh, it says 3 off 2 different products, but they don't have to be different products. And so anyways, so this deal on the spray would be $5.98. You want to grab 2 of them. It's going to come to $11.96. We'll use a $3 hang tag, which will take off $1.50 off of each product. You'll pay $8.96, getting back $1.75 for each on Ibotta. And then $3.25 on Fetch would make them $1.10 each. Now, of course, if you wanted to grab this one here, the liquid bandage, which is priced at $6.58, 2 of them is going to be $10.16. Use one of the $3 off of 2 hang tags. You'll pay $10.16, getting back a total of $3.98 on Ibotta, and then $3.25 on Fetch would bring them down to 46 cents each. This next deal here is on the Vital Fusion on the women's multivitamins. Why'd I say it like that? Wow, look at these. They're all stuck together. I remember I bought one by mistake that was like that. I was like, it was one big old gummy. But anyways, so price is $7.97. I want to grab this deal, but they only have one. So for this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them at $7.97. So it's going to come to $15.94 using 2 of these $3 coupons right here from coupons.com. Now, last time I tried to use it in self-checkout, it didn't work. It did scan with the cashier though. And so that'll bring the total down to $9.94, getting back $7 on Tada, and then $4 on Ibotta makes it $1.06 moneymaker. The other option would be to grab the multivites. They're priced at $5.98. So 2 of them is gonna be $11.96 using 2 of these $3 printables right here. That'll bring the total down to you paying $5.96 out of pocket, and then you'll get back $7 on Tada, making that $1.04 moneymaker. I might just grab this, but I'm thinking I gotta go to another store anyways, and if I can get that one right there, I probably will. All right, I'm not going to be doing this deal, but I'm just going to share it. It's on the Got to Be. Now for this, there are 2 options. One is to grab 2 of the curl, which are priced at $9.97. So that total is going to come to $19.94. You'll get back $2 for each on Ibotta, 6 on Swagbucks, and a total of $4.44 on Fetch, making them $2.75 each. The other option will be to grab one of this one here, the bonding glue, at $7.47, and the curl one at $9.97. The total is going to come to $17.96. Getting back to on Ibotta, 6 on Swagbucks, and $4.44 on Fetch makes it $2.75 each too. I'm gonna have to double check that math and pop it up because I don't know if it's supposed to be the same for both deals. Next up is the Irish Spring body wash. It's on the 20-ounce bottles, priced at $4.97. For this, you are grabbing a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $9.94, getting back $4 on Ibotta for buying 2, brings them down to $2.97 With each. That offer, you could also grab the soft soap if you want that. For this one, you have to grab the body wash and shave gel, which is priced at $5.22. So grabbing 2 of those, that total is going to come to $10.44. You get back $4 on Ibotta for buying 2, makes them $3.22 each. All right, next up is the CoverGirl brow pencils. It's on the 2-pack. They have been on rollback forever. They need to be on clearance. Can we get them on clearance for $1.44? Huh? Anyways, so we're going to grab a total of 1 of these. We'll pay $2.88. Now for this one, I did get back $2 on checkout 51 as well as $5, which made this a $1.12 moneymaker. Alright, so I'm at Target. I only have a few things to grab from here, but I did want to grab the RX bar. It's on the high protein 5 count. It's only on this particular flavor. You're going to grab one at $8.99. You'll get back $15 on Flavor Wiki, making this a $6.01 moneymaker. Alright, so next up is the Poppin' Bottle. This is in the refrigerator section with the code COFFEE. It's priced at $5.99. We have a free offer through Aisles. I have a link in the description making this absolutely free. Since this is a brand for Merryfield, I scanned there as well and got back 30 cents. And next up is the Pop-Tarts. It's on the Cinnabon one. It's priced at $2.79. You're going to grab 1. You'll get back 12 on Flavor Wiki, making this a $9.21 moneymaker. Alright, super stoked because this one was 30% off, so I paid $1.95. Getting back 12 on Flavor Wiki makes this a $10.05 moneymaker, so I'll see you guys at home for the final breakdown. Alright guys, so here is our complete haul for today. This worked out this worked out amazing. I'm not gonna front. I didn't mention Sprouts, but those deals I have shared with you guys. I grabbed the Bubbies. Actually, I'm happy that I waited for those because those are buy one get one free. So, and then I had $1 digital. That didn't work. I don't think my digital worked last time either though. So I paid $6.99, got back $7.99 on Social Nature. The Magic Mind was $3.50, got back $3.50. And then the tea was $6.49, got that back. And so that worked out really good. Now this has never happened with Social Nature. When I submitted my receipt, originally it said, 48 hours or whatever. But when I clicked on it, it didn't say anything. It said 0, and it wasn't even pending or processing or anything. I tried to submit the receipt 3 times. Didn't work. I had to put a ticket in. They just got back to me today. I think it took them like 2 or 3 days to get back to me. And they did credit me the $17.98 for those 3 deals. But that's never happened for me. Usually I have no problem submitting the receipt. The other thing was the Rice Krispie, the salted caramel mega size. This one is at 7-Eleven. I had this on my account. Joseph has it twice on his account. So next time I'm over there by 7-Eleven, I'm going to grab 2 for his account. And it made this a moneymaker, which was cool. The original one, I did see it at a Target when I was there. I think it was $1.59. And I know they also might have this original one at Dollar Tree as well. For you guys, did your Dollar Tree go up? Ours went up to $1.75. Most things are still $1.25. But a lot of stuff is now $1.75, which is crazy to me because it's like, it's cheaper to go to freaking Walmart for a lot of this stuff now and you'll get more for your money. And so I'm just like, are you serious right now? Now that I think about it, they actually might have the fast break there too. What else didn't I mention? I did go to Vons for the Pop-Tarts. They're the only store that carries the coconut caramel ones. What else? As far as Checkout 51 and the sister apps, all the items that I tried today all worked. The Glade works. I did it twice. CoverGirl worked. I did that twice. GasX worked on both. And the OmniFree worked on both as well. Again, just make sure, like for me, I'm just telling you what works for me. I submit on Checkout 51 first. I wait for it to clear. Sometimes it doesn't clear to the next morning. Then I submit the receipt for the sister apps. And that always works for me. And so, yeah, all right, but that worked out perfect. I wasn't gonna do the RX bar, the larger box, because it's such a high out of pocket. But I figure I really like throwing bars in my gym bag just in case I'm out. And my bag stays in the car anyways. And it's good for when I'm recording and I don't have to worry about what I'm gonna eat. And so I went ahead and just grabbed that. I'll probably do this one here again because that's a great deal before the sale ends, because they're on sale for $8.99. And so I'll definitely be doing that deal again as well. Now, again, Joseph's account has this twice, and then he has one of these twice. So hopefully it'll reset for me tomorrow and I can do that again. And so, yeah, and so with that being said, this worked out so awesome, you guys. As far as my receipts, this is what I've got. Not a whole lot. And so let's run through this. And so everything that you see here retails $135.85. We only had $2 in coupons. That was $1 at Sprouts and then $1 in points at Vons. My out-of-pocket was $133.85. Our sales tax was $223 since most of this is food. Getting back $133 from Flavor Wiki, which is freaking awesome. Social Nature $17.98. Easy Bucks is $12.28. Checkout 51 was $11.06. Brand Club is $9.73. Swagbucks was $9. Aisles was $5.99. Ibotta $4. Inbox dollars was $3.78. And last but not least was Walmart Rewards at $3.50. Getting back a total of $210.32 makes everything you see here free, plus a $76.47 moneymaker, y'all, which is so awesome. We made $76, y'all. What? That's awesome. I like I said, Flavor Wiki coming for the win. You know, coming for the win. And so with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button over the door. And if you make it to the end, I want to see a banana emoji in the comments. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.